It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all in DevOps Beacon. In this channel, we mainly talk about DevOps and related topics. If that is something you are interested in, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Do press the bell icon so whenever I upload the video, you will get notification. Now, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. In today's video, we will have a quick tour of Azure DevOps. Let's click on Azure DevOps Services. Click on Sign into Azure DevOps. So I have already logged in, so it will ask for project name and project visibility. So let me change project name. So here I am keeping automation as project name. I'm keeping the project visibility as private. Provide the characters here. Click on continue. So now here we are into our first project in our DevOps organization or Azure DevOps organization. So here we can see multiple services which are there. So here Azure boards are there, which will help you to manage your agile related activities, repos where you can store your code repository, pipelines where we can create CICD pipelines, test plans where we can create manual and exploratory tests, and artifacts where we can save different artifacts such as jar files and other different package files. We will cover more on Azure DevOps in upcoming videos.